Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, so hi. And today I'm going to be playing with the September Rose Cosmetics Slush palette. And look at those colours. How beautiful are they? I haven't got a clue what I'm going to do yet. So I think it's just going to be a case of putting colours on my eyes. And then we'll see where we go from there. So let's first grab a brush. So I think the first colour that I want to go in with, I just want to go for and go in with this orange soda. It's really kind of vibrant orange. I haven't even swatched these yet, so we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. I've heard so many lovely things about this formula, this particular palette, and I'm just going to start by going in here with the orange. Okay, so it's a buildable one then, unless it's the base. I'm trying a new base out as well. I'm trying this e.l.f. putty primer in the shade cream, so we'll see how that goes too. So far I'm quite liking the base that's left, but it is very dry. Very, very dry. Okay. Yeah, this is a really nice colour. I like this. I like that it's buildable actually. Yeah, it is. It's very pretty. I have been dying to try this for the longest time. I've watched so many people use it and rave about it, and finally I'm playing with it, which I'm happy about. I just want to make sure that that's really gonna show. Yeah, I think so far so good. It's a very, very pretty colour. I know I would usually do swatches first, but I don't know, I thought I'd change things up a bit. Let me know if you're happy with it like this, or you would prefer that I do the swatches first. I just feel that it makes the video a lot longer, but you let me know what you want, and I will be happy to accommodate. Right, so we've got the orange on. I'm quite liking that. I'm just going to use the same brush, use my colour switch, and I think I'm going to dip into Pink Lemonade, this bright pink here, and put that next to the orange. I think it's going to look nice next to it. So let's see what happens here. Ooh, okay, there's definitely more pigment straight off the bat with this one. Oh, you can see definitely more in your face pigment. I'll go out and blend the edges in a bit. I just want to get the colour placement down, same as usual. Ooh, that's a nice colour. How's it blending into the orange? Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, I'm quite liking those colours next to each other, I think. What do you think? Yeah. This pink's definitely a lot more vibrant than the orange. I'm not too worried about the lid. I'll go in and clean that up. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. So, who knows? This look could go anyway at the moment, especially with the amount of colours in this palette. So let's have a think. What do I want to put next? Shall we go for, I think I'm going to go into this dark cherry, this purple here, and try that next to it and see how that comes out. Just having a play. I do love having a play with new palettes. It's just something quite exciting about it, I think. Oh, nearly used the wrong colour there. Okay. That's nice. Oh, I think that's again another really nice colour. So far, I have to say I'm impressed. I am impressed. I don't know whether a stickier base would be better, which is what I'm more used to. This eye primer is definitely a very drying one. It's a very dry eyeshadow primer. So I will have to try these colours over a more tacky base to see how that works, and it makes them more vibrant, because a lot of these pictures and videos I've seen of people trying them, the colours just look so vibrant. Having said that, they do look probably more vibrant than I'm giving them credit for, actually. Yeah. So far, that's looking good. I'm just going to go in and re-intensify the colours a bit, so I'll probably skip through that for you guys. Okay, so I'm quite liking that. I might have a bit more of a buff out of those edges just to soften it just a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, I quite like that. I think they do intensify up quite nicely. Now what to put on the lid? What shall I put on the lid? So since this eyeshadow primer is quite a dry one, I am going to use a bit of glitter primer on my lid just for the shimmers, to give them something to stick to. Okay, so now we've got some glitter primer on, I think I'm going to go into the outer edge with this shimmer here, Berry Blast. So so let's see what this does. Oh, okay, that's pretty. That's a pretty shimmer. I like that. It's got some real shine to it, this, I like it. Yeah, I can see why people have been raving so far. I am loving this. Absolutely loving it. So let's colour switch that. And I think next I'm going to go in with Blue Lagoon. I really want to try out one of the blues, so Blue Lagoon it is, seeing as that's the only blue shimmer. So let's see what she has to offer. Ooh. This is pretty. I'm leaving the inner part open because I'm thinking of going in with the orange shimmer. So we'll see how that works out. But I'm liking these colours together. Try and tap over just a little bit, just so they're not such a massively harsh line between them. Ooh, yep, I'm liking this. That's nice. That is really, really nice. Okay, let's grab a smaller brush. And then I'm going to go into Mango, which is this shimmery purple. Start again, Steph. I'm going to go into Mango, which is this shimmery orange here, and put that on the inner part of my lids. So let's see what happens there. Okay, this one doesn't seem to have quite as much kind of foil as the others. There's definitely not as much of a shine there. So yeah, pretty happy with that so far. That orange shimmer really isn't as foiled as the others, but still I like how it's looking. I do. So I'm just going to pop a bit more. I might actually go in with this blackcurrant, this one in the bottom here, just to deepen the outer edge there. Deepen that up a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, and I think I'm going to take just a little bit of that blackcurrant and just bring that just under my little bit there, just against the lash line, just to add that little bit of depth at the edge there. Yes, that's it. Okay, so yeah, I'm liking that, but I really want to try this yellow, this banana. So I think I am going to, I might go actually into the cucumber lime first and then into the banana on the lower lash line, just so we can try some more colours, any excuse to stick extra colour on my eyes. So let's see. Ooh, that's nice. Bear in mind I've got no primer under my eyes, and these are, they're definitely showing up. Yeah, I like that colour. That's definitely going to have to, I'm going to have to do a green, maybe green and yellow, green, yellow and blue look with this palette. Yeah, definitely. So I'm going in with that banana shade next, and I'm just going to, ooh, I should have tapped that off better. I just got an eye full of yellow. I'm just going to put that just on the inner part of my lower lash line there, and just take it into the green a little bit, just to blend it. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking that. Yeah, really, really, really liking that. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I think I'm actually going to try the coconut milk or bubblegum. Or no, I'm going bubblegum. I'm going to try bubblegum on my inner corner for an inner corner highlight. So let's see how that goes. It's kind of like an icy white blue. So let's have a look. Ooh. Yes, that was definitely the way to go. I like that. That's a really pretty colour. It's kind of icy white with it, just that hint of blue. Just pack it in there. Yeah, I really like that. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit just to shape that. I've been liking doing that recently actually. Just bringing the inner corner highlight up just a little bit. So I'm gonna head off camera, finish my face, and then come back to show you the final look, and we'll have a chat about what I think of this palette so far. So don't go anywhere, I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I'm back with the final look. What do you think? I'm actually really happy with it. I don't know why I sounded surprised, it's colourful. Of course I was going to be happy with it. So actually before I show you the palette and we talk about it, I'm just going to let you know what I've got, what I put on my face. As a blush, I've used the I Heart Revolution Gold Elixir, and I've used this one here for like a shimmery blush because I thought that would really go with this look. I've used the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Go Green in my waterline, the e.l.f. Black Liquid Eyeliner, Barry M That's How I Roll mascara, lost the word there, and the Eyelure London Jordan Woods lashes in Palm Princess, they're faux mink. So yeah, that's what I have on my face. As for the palette, firstly, this packaging is stunning, absolutely stunning. I love this, love it. So it's like the holiday we don't get to have at the moment, and these colours are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I've really enjoyed playing with this palette so far. First impressions, it's amazing. The only thing I will say is this orange shimmer mango is not as foiled and intense as the other shimmers that I've tried so far, but we'll keep on playing. This is definitely one that I will be playing with a lot. There are so many colour combinations that you can do with this palette, so many looks, and I'm really excited to create some more looks. So yeah, I had been planning on doing some palette bingos, and I will get around to them. I've just had so many new things to try. So Dee Dee, girl, I haven't forgotten you. It is coming up just as soon as I have time. So yeah, that is it from me for today. If you've liked this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you again very soon. Goodbye. That you could do with this. I'm just filming the last bit. Yeah, I'm just filming the last bit.